So I realized that I might have put the cart before the horse. And that's okay, because it's okay. So this week, I'm going to be talking to you guys about machine learning with the fundamentals. So I started talking about supervised learning last week, but hopefully that video will make sense, a lot more sense. So what is machine learning? Because I'm just going to jump straight to it. And again, I'm looking off into my notes. So just looking off screen, that is what I'm feeling. What is machine learning? So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. This involves using algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance on a specific task. So some of the key concepts of machine learning, we have data, which is the foundation of machine learning, and that data is used to train algorithms and make predictions. Algorithms, the set of rules and procedures that the machine uses to learn from the data. Now training, the process of feeding data to the algorithm and allowing it to adjust its parameters to improve its performance. And prediction, the ability of the trained model to make accurate predictions or decisions on new unseen data. Now, the types of machine learning are supervised learning, and I kind of covered that. Unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning basically involves training a model on labeled data where the input data is paired with the correct output. So like examples of that are like classification, predicting categories, spam detection, image recognition, regression, and that is predicting continuous values, stock price prediction, weather forecasting. It kind of makes me wonder if they're using this for Chicago's weather, because they be predicting these blizzards, and I'm not trying to speak against it, but y'all predictions be wrong. Stop using what y'all using. Unsupervised learning involves training a model on unlabeled data to discover hidden patterns and structures. And so some examples of that are clustering, grouping similar data points together. Customer segmentation is a perfect example of that. Dimensionality, I like that word, dimensionality reduction. That's reducing the number of features. Reducing the number of features in a data set while preserving important information. And the last type of machine learning is reinforcement. And that involves training an agent to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties for its actions. So examples of that involve gameplay, training AI agents to play games like chess or Go, and robotics, training robots to perform tasks in a dynamic environment. So some key concepts in machine learning: features, the individual characteristics or attributes of the data used to train a model, models, the mathematical representation learned from the data used to make predictions or decisions. training data. The data used to train the machine learning model. Testing data. Data used to evaluate the performance of the trained model. Overfitting is when a model performs well on the training data but poorly on new unseen data. Underfitting, when a model is too simple to capture the underlying patterns in the data. So some applications of machine learning are image and speech recognition, image classification, object detection, speech detects, voice assistance, natural language processing, machine translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, text summarization, recommendation systems, product recommendations, movie recommendation, music recommendations, fraud detection. This could be very, very helpful. Identifying fraudulent transactions and activities. Medical diagnosis, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases and developing personalized treatment plans. So that is the end of my information for machine learning fundamentals. I hope that this is helpful for you. It definitely was helpful to learn, kind of give understanding to how like algorithms work, algorithms dominate social media, all of those platforms, and so it kind of gives better understanding as to how these things work and how they affect you overall. Like I said, this information is good in understanding how, like I said, if you're a business owner, for example, you're on social media, the algorithm, you want that to play into your favor, and these platforms use algorithms to gather data and share that data with people who they find that information will be relevant to. So these things are all very good. They're a part of my understanding of business. It's not just, as a creative part, I love to sit and create all day. But that is not a reality when you are in business for yourself. And so understanding these things give you a better understanding how to market your products, sell your products and or services. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my guy. I had this thing on my nose the whole time. Ciao. Until next time, my guy. Make sure to tune in next week. We're going to continue learning the fundamentals of machine learning. What helps to run AI and what makes it work, what makes it tick, what makes it go. So until next time.